Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of this lovely hair I have on. I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this, so if you're interested, keep on watching. Hi, hello guys. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this hair from DYHAIR777, and this is their deep curly virgin human hair lace frontal wig. It was shipped to me via DHL and it took about 5 to 7 days to get to me. Very quick shipping, very fast, and they delivered it to my doorstep. And guys, I have a lot of good things to say about this hair. First being the softness. Yo, this hair is super duper soft. And second of all, the frontal came bleached, so I didn't have to do any of that. And finally, it also came pre-plucked, even though I still plucked it some more because I just needed to get that natural look, but it came pre-plucked, guys. Moving on to customization, I damped the hair with just water and put it on my dummy head, and now I'm just securing it with some T-pins to avoid like it moving when I start plucking. So now I'm just brushing through the hair to loosen the curls, and guys, can you see how my brush is just running through it? No tangles, no nothing.
Take a deep breath, baby. Come a little closer. Just saying that I want you. Slow down, baby. Take a deep.
After plucking, so this is all that came out of the hair. So first off, this hair has minimal shedding, guys. As you can see, I'm using a new pair of tweezers, and that's because I want to be able to pluck the hair with no stress. I want it to just be going like quickly. So moving on to plucking, I'll try to explain it. I suck at explaining this part. So basically, I'm starting with the side of the wig, and as you can see, I'm just plucking, and I brought out a bit of baby hairs just to give that illusion of like my actual hair. Even though people are going to still tell that it's a wig, I just still want it to look natural, not too full in front. So I'm just going to speed up this process, and I hope you guys are learning. Look at all the hair I got from plucking just the side. So multiplied that by 3 because I divided it into 3, so 2 sides and the middle. And here is what the hair looks like after plucking. I am really impressed with the turnout. As you can see, the fronts are thinned out, and that's just how I want it to be. So now I'm going to move on to brushing my natural hair and the process of installing the wig, so stay tuned. Oh, I forgot to mention that I added an elastic band to the wig. I just secured it on both sides, and that is just to make the wig really firm. Moving on, I'm just going to be wearing the wig on my head and making sure it's properly placed. I'm also going to be adjusting the sides and going ahead to pack the hair backwards, and just so it doesn't get in the way of me trying to secure it with my got-to-be glue and spray.
Do you feel like we are over? If not, let me closer. Just saying that I want you. Come a little closer. Do you feel like we are over?
Here I'm just applying my face powder on the lace because I didn't bleach it, so I just wanted to just tint it a little bit with my powder. In this video, I tried a new method, and that is to leave the lace on till I apply the glue before I cut off the excess lace. And I must say that I absolutely love this method, and that is because you get to cut the right amount of lace off, if that makes any sense. But yeah. To secure my wig, I'm going to be using the Got2b freeze spray and the Got2b gel in the yellow tube, and I'm going to be going on with the gel first around the perimeter of my head, and then I'm going to be going on with the spray in sections. So I'll just be spraying and drying and securing the frontal.
Slow down, baby. Take a deep breath, baby. Come a little closer. Just saying that I want you. Just saying I won't let you.
just using a wipe to clean off the powder that transferred to my hair when I was tinting the lace, and I'm going to move on to do the same thing to the other side of the hair, so keep on watching. Using a fresh wipe, I'm going to be cleaning my face, and I'm going to be cleaning my face, and I'm going to be doing my makeup off camera, and I'll see you guys after my makeup. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm going to secure my frontal with this belt. Like, it's a dress belt, to be honest. You should use something better, don't be like me. And yeah, I'll see you guys after my makeup. Hey, Lego do asawa. Hey, anyway guys, so I'm going to be using my face powder now to blend my frontal. You know, I tied it with the belt, so I'm just trying to blend it together. And after that, I'm going to go ahead to loosen the hair, like take away the band. And next, I'm going to be spraying water, and just watch the process, guys.
Do you feel like we are over? If not, let me closer. Just say that I want you. Come a little closer. Do you feel like we are over? If not, let me closer. Just say that I want you. Just say that I want you.
So guys, that pretty much concludes the video. I went ahead to wet the hair and applied a bit of my Hawaiian 14-in-1, styled it, and that's pretty much it. I really love this hair. I mean, videos don't lie, so as you can see, it's so lush, so beautiful. I'm going to leave every detail you need to know in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Let me know your thoughts. Would you rock this hair? Do you like this hair? And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Come a little closer. Just say